Hi guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you some of the key features available on Giant Wallet and how to use them. Giant Wallet is a Web3 wallet that allows users to store, to send, to receive, and manage digital assets while maintaining full control of their wallets. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap tokens, how to use Gift feature to send crypto gifts, and how Giant Wallet supports multiple blockchain networks from a single wallet. If you are new to Giant Wallet, don't worry. I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token Wikicat. Wikicat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of Wikicat will be in the description. Now let's dive right into today's tutorial. So first off, launch the app. So here you have your dashboard containing all your assets, right? To swap an asset with another, simply navigate to the swap section below. Here at the From section, select the token you want to swap from, and at the To section, the token you want to swap to. Good. Now enter the amount you want to swap. So once you're satisfied with the transaction details, just tap swap and that's it. Your wallet will process the transaction and update your balance once it is completed. Now let's look at Gift. Gift is a feature that allows you to send crypto gifts to multiple people using a simple gift code. Instead of collecting wallet addresses one after another, you can simply create a gift and share the generated code. So to get started, just locate the gift section above here and tap. You can view available gifts here. You can also view sent gifts right here. Now to gift a token, right? Tap create gift. Select the token you want to gift. It could be in Giant token, USDT, Wikicat, or any other token of your choice. But I'll stick to Giant token. Enter the amount you want to distribute, the number of recipients, then create a gift code. Tap continue. Now here you can choose whether the amount should be shared equally among the recipients or distributed randomly. Set an expiry period for the gift. You may also wish to add a gift message. Good. Now once you're fine with everything, right, just tap confirm and create gift. A unique gift ID will be generated. Simply copy the ID and share it with the intended recipient. Now your recipients would simply need to just enter the ID and code in their various wallets to claim their share before the gift expires. Now I'll show you how to claim a gift. Just tap join gift. Enter the gift ID and code. Then tap claim. Your claim gift will then be reflected in your wallet. So that's it for Gift guys. Finally, with Giant Wallet you can manage supported assets from multiple blockchain networks within the same wallet. At the settings section, you can actually switch between networks to interact with or view all networks at once. And right on your dashboard, you can also specify the network you want to interact with by tapping manage. And here's the interface for managing your assets across various networks. You can see the assets available on each network. So this feature allows you to conveniently transact assets across different supported blockchains without needing separate wallets for each network. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions concerning this tutorial video, please put it in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.